One of the questions that I seriously get asked the most is, what bra are you wearing, whenever I'm posting in a little white t-shirt or any kind of like light colored tight tops. I just picked up a couple new ones, so I thought I would talk to you about that. By the way, this isn't sponsored, but Victoria's Secret, I love these bras. So if you want to sponsor me, like, hi. Anyways, like I said, these bras are from Victoria's Secret and they are called the Infinity Flex Bra. Now, I do think this bra comes in a fuller coverage option online as well as the push-up, but I just get the regular Infinity Flex, and there's a couple of reasons I'm obsessed with it. I have it on my old one on underneath this t-shirt, but I'll show you on the one I just got. My favorite thing about this bra is that there is no underwire. So it is seriously so comfortable. This is the only bra I own that I can wear all day to work, like wear it, you know, casually after work, and I'm not like dying to take it off. This is just as comfortable as any sports bra or bralette. I promise. I know that is a bold statement, but it is true. But even though it doesn't have underwire, they've put this like jelly type stuff underneath, which I still feel like gives you more shape and lift than, for instance, just wearing a bralette. So I really like how it looks from the side. I also really love the like cup shape or construction of this bra. There's something about it where, again, the shirt is tight. It doesn't like dig in or cut into your boobs at all, but it also doesn't gape. It just like sits in the perfect place, like across your chest, to not have any lines. It is so seamless, so comfortable. So I picked up a black one and then I just repurchased, like I'm literally wearing this exact same one in this kind of like slightly darker beige. I find this color, this exact color, works really, really well on my skin tone underneath white to never be see-through. They do have a sale on right now, so I was able to get 3 bras, I think, for the price of 2, or like buy 2 get 1 free, which I think is a great deal. I'm very happy I stocked up. And if you are a bra hater but you're needing coverage or some lift, some shape, please try this bra out. I promise you won't be disappointed.
Please tell me I'm not the only one with this, but do you ever get annoyed when you wear a nice top like this and your bra straps are on show? Well, let me show you 3 Victoria's Secret bras you need to try. Even if you're just looking for a new, comfortable bra, then keep watching. The 3 Victoria's Secret bras I'm going to show you today are all from the Love Cloud collection. They've got this cloud-like padding, adjustable straps, and so many other things. First up is the smooth push-up bra. It's got this super, super soft, comfortable fabric, giving you lift and comfort. And then the fabric on the back and sides has a smoothing technology, meaning it sits seamlessly with no lumps and bumps. But my favourite feature on this bra is these straps unclip. So you've got a crossover style on the back. Now tops like this look just right. Next up is the front fastening demi bra, and this fastens up just on this gold V here. Again, you've got the cloud-like padding, which is super comfortable, and let me show you the back. How stunning is this lacy back? If you had an open back dress or something like that in the summer to wear, this would be so nice to show off. And finally, this is the lounge bra. If you are looking for ultra comfort, this is it. Non-wired, silky smooth bra, but it's still got that cloud support. Again, around the sides and in the back, it's got that smoothing technology, so everything is just smoothed out. I've just put a white tee over the lounge bra just to show you how seamless it is.